Now let's go to hypertension. Let's welcome Sir June Clemente. Good evening, Sir June.
Good evening, Doc.
Okay, can you tell us what do you mean by systolic?
Well, Doc, systolic is refers to the pace of the cardiac cycle when the heart is contract and pump blood into the artery in the blood po, in the blood
Okay,
pressure, Doc.
very good. What about diastolic?
The diastole the excuse Doc. The diastolic is refers to the pace of the cardiac cycle when the heart muscle is relaxed and the heart chamber will filled with blood po, Doc.
Okay, differentiate between primary and secondary hypertension.
Okay, Doc. The primary hypertension, also known the essential hypertension, it is a common type of high blood pressure and develop gradually or over time without identical cause. It means na parang um,
You don't know the cause.
biglang susulpot na lang, Doc, ibig sabihin parang hindi natin alam kung saan nagmula. While the hypertension po, it is pertaining po the underlying condition, yung may causes po about disease, just like kidney disease, hormonal disorder, certain medication or tumors po.
Okay, very good. Now, if you see this type of blood pressure, what will you do? Or how do you stage this? Is it something to be concerned about?
Yes, Doc. 180 over 110 is also considered as hypertensive crisis. It is a medical emergency call po. This is a level of high
Oh,
blood pressure can increase of serious health complications such as stroke, heart attack, or organ damage po, Doc.
kailangan na ba ng doktor dito?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. Now, what if you see this kind of blood pressure? What are you going to do?
It is extremely high and classified as hypertensive crisis, Doc. It is a medical, sorry, Doc. It is a medical emergency, Doc. Especially if you are experiencing symptoms such as severe headache, shortness of breath, chest pain, blurred vision, and confusion or difficult to speak po, Doc.
Is it okay to leave the patient?
No, Doc.
Okay, great. So what are you going to do?
Yeah, you need to call a doctor or other
Call
emergency.
911. Okay. Now, punta naman tayo sa TCM. Ano yung classification ng hypertension sa TCM?
Um, the classification the DSM classification of hypertension is rather the liver yang rising, liver and kidney yin deficiency, phlegm dump obstruction, doc, blood deficiency, blood stasis po, excessive fire in the heart and liver. That that would be all, doc.
So it's basically knowing the patterns for headache and dizziness, no?
Yes po, doc.
Now, can you tell us more about liver fire excess? Because this is something very concerning. Do you agree? So tell us the everything about it.
Well, doc, NTCM or in traditional Chinese medicine, it is called the liver fire excess is called the Gang Hu Shang. It is repair or pertaining to excessive build-up of the heat or the fire in the liver system due to emotional stress, poor diet, or internal imbalance po, Doc.
Yeah, very good. Can you tell us how do you treat a person with liver fire? Treatment principle.
The treatment principles with Doc.
Liver fire, namumula yung mukha.
Okay, so what we're going to do is to clear the purge and specify the liver and subdue the yang.
Very good. What about yin deficiency with hyperactive yang? Can you tell us more about it?
Um, with Doc. Uh, um, uh, with Doc.
Kaya mo yan.
Yeah, I feels I
Yin
I'm nervous.
deficiency with
Okay,
hyperactive.
so maybe dizziness, headache, heavy sensation of head. Yes po, Doc. Wind, shortness of LB, tinnitus, palpation, insomnia, 5 central heat. The tongue is red with thin coating, and the pulse is varying in 3D, Doc.
Okay, treatment principle for yin deficiency with hyperactive yang.
Yes po.
Very, very easy, di ba? Kung kulang
Yes
ang
po.
yin, what do you do?
So we need to tonify it po, Doc.
Tonify? Or will you do something about
Ay,
the yin? Nourish mo yung yin and
nourish po,
about
Doc,
the yang.
rather. Yeah. The yang, we need to nourish the yin and we need to subdue the yang, Doc.
Okay. Easy, di ba? So basically,
Yes.
okay, sa case mo, ano yung pinaka-common na pattern that you see?
Blood stasis.
No? Blood stasis ka agad. Okay. Thank you so much, Sir June,
Yeah. Yes.
and
Thank you, Doc.
congratulations.